Namaste, Bharat. Are you ready to supercharge your productivity and automation with the latest AI tools? This week, I'm excited to share the top 5 AI tools that every Indian should know about. From Elon Musk's AI to Indian SaaS, these tools are changing the game. So, let's dive in and explore what makes them so special. With the growing demand for AI in India, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve. Did you know that the Indian AI market is expected to reach $7.8 billion by 2025? That's a massive opportunity for businesses and individuals to leverage AI for growth. Grok by XAI is an AI-powered productivity tool that provides real-time access to Twitter data. With Grok, you can stay on top of the latest trends and news. The best use cases for Indians are staying updated on market trends, tracking competitors, and monitoring brand mentions. The pricing starts at $16 per month for the premium plan, but it's free to use on X. Did you know that Grok is backed by Elon Musk's AI technology? It's a game changer for Indians who want to stay ahead of the curve. I think every Indian entrepreneur and marketer should use Grok to stay informed and make data-driven decisions. Napkin AI is a visual AI tool that turns text into diagrams and visuals automatically. It's currently free in beta, making it an excellent opportunity for Indians to try it out. The best use cases for Indians are creating presentations, designing social media graphics, and developing infographics. Did you know that Napkin AI uses machine learning algorithms to understand the context of the text and generate relevant visuals? It's a fantastic tool for Indian students, marketers, and designers who want to create engaging content without extensive design experience. Intercom AI is an automation AI tool that provides AI-powered customer support. It's widely adopted by Indian SaaS companies, and the pricing starts at $39 per month. The best use cases for Indians are automating customer support, personalizing user experiences, and streamlining communication. Did you know that Intercom AI uses natural language processing to understand customer queries and provide relevant responses? It's an excellent tool for Indian businesses that want to provide exceptional customer support without breaking the bank. Freshworks AI is an automation AI tool that provides AI-powered CRM and support tools. It's an Indian SaaS company, and the pricing starts at $15 per month. The best use cases for Indians are automating sales workflows, streamlining customer support, and personalizing user experiences. Did you know that Freshworks AI uses machine learning algorithms to predict customer behavior and provide personalized recommendations? It's a fantastic tool for Indian businesses that want to leverage AI for growth. Drift AI is an automation AI tool that provides the best AI conversational marketing platform. The pricing starts at $2,500 per year, making it a significant investment for Indian businesses. The best use cases for Indians are automating lead generation, personalizing user experiences, and streamlining communication. Did you know that Drift AI uses natural language processing to understand customer queries and provide relevant responses? It's an excellent tool for Indian enterprises that want to provide exceptional customer experiences and drive revenue growth. That's it for this week's top 5 AI tools for Indians. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more AI-related content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest AI tools and trends. Next week, I'll be sharing the top 5 AI tools for Indian students, so stay tuned. Rocket!